As a person who had the community at heart, and she had this peculiar personality of being sociable, approachable, and
Bill was a friend to me. She was a scholar. She's an aspiring politician. She's a very creative person, and she has got a heart for the people. Her name in English is a seed, and she sown the seeds in Botswana that I think will take a long time to fade.
We started to be together because of that magnet Bill, that she bring people together so that they can see, no, we are one people, let's push, we can run the village together. Like, everybody was making contribution because of her.
So she's a strong woman, strong-willed, who wants to see things happen. With the hard work attitude that she had, I believe people who worked with her, especially me, you know we have to work hard.
she was quite helpful to the people around her with whatever resources she had. So in that, people realized, oh, this person is just a nice person. Yes, people can help.
So she bridged that gap with her commitment and push, because Bill is an effort-based person. She doesn't talk too much like in Tema. So she talks less and then she does a lot. And she was somebody who related well with everybody. I still, cannot really deal with the fact that she's not here. And I think her legacy really has touched so many people, especially regarding women, health, and arts in Chobe.
So you're missing her?
Yeah, seriously. Yeah.
We'll let her know. She has to come back.
Yeah, she has to come back. You know, if she can be a Botswana, she can change her papers to be a Botswana to work, we'll see more impact.
Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. Tata, you should bring her back.